What is everyone, welcome to Team WS channel, and in this new video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or enable secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A13. So first of all, just do subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new to this channel. So to enable secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A13, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.